Here we go, it's the final walkthrough. Everything is done and ready for my mom to move in. We got the handrails. This whole bookcase is all painted and trimmed out with the live edge secured on top. The fireplace has the new glass doors and fresh paint. Windows are all cleaned. The bookcase looks great from this side. There's the dining room with brand new lights. The deck is all ready to go for summer drinks and patio time with the entire family. We head into the kitchen. All of the drawers have their handles, all the cabinets have their handles, fully functioning sink and all the appliances. The closet has some shelving. The bathroom down here has all of the plumbing working, all the towel rods, the mirror up. Here in the office, it's so much better than that lime green was a long time ago. Now in the massive master bedroom, just so much space, holy cow. Brand new trim, all the windows are cleaned, the floor is brand new. Here's a second set of doors out to that deck, holy cow. In the master bath here, we did replace the window and we put some frosted film on it later because that's way too clear of a window on the deck. But everything else is ready to go in that bathroom too. We head on downstairs, another peek at that beautiful front door, and all the beautiful flooring. In the laundry room here, we got the sink all hooked up, the washer and dryer, all the trim on. There's our leftover materials. The family room down here with the track lighting so my mom can do plenty of sewing. Later, a little kitchenette will go in there when we have extra funds available again. That end bookcase is beautiful. This bathroom turned out so great. Oh my goodness, so much better than it used to be. Even in this mechanical room, we painted this little cabinet and drawer set. Really cute. This back bedroom is all trimmed out, fresh paint, fresh drywall, if you remember going back to that video. And this bedroom looks amazing too. So check out my other videos to see all the progress, and soon videos room by room to see their whole process of before and after.